Another day, another English lesson. The future perfect continuous. Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn a verb tense with a long name, but don't let that scare you. Once we understand the idea behind it, it becomes very logical. The tense is called the future perfect continuous. Let's break the name into simple ideas. Future. We are looking ahead, not talking about now or the past. Perfect. We are keeping in mind a time that comes before another future moment. Continuous. The action continues over a period of time. It does not happen instantly. When we put those ideas together, we talk about an activity that begins before a certain moment in the future and continues until that future moment. The key idea is duration. How long the activity lasts. What does it mean? We use the future perfect continuous to express that an activity will start before a specific time in the future and will continue up to that time. The focus is not on the result of the activity, but on the amount of time the activity has been happening. For example, by next June, I will have been working at my job for 2 years. This means I started working at some time in the past or present. When we reach next June, the activity, working, will still be happening. The important information is the duration, 2 years. Another example. When you arrive, she will have been studying for hours. The important point is not whether she finishes studying. The important point is how long she has been studying at that moment in the future. The structure is subject plus will have been plus verb ing. Examples. This time tomorrow, we will have been driving for 10 hours. By the end of the year, they will have been living in this city for a decade. In both examples, we know. The activity starts earlier. We are imagining a future moment, and the duration of the activity is important. Remember, we don't usually use stative verbs, e.g., know, believe, like, in this tense. For those, we use the future perfect. You can find the link for the worldwide ELT video on the future perfect in the description of this video. Now, watch and complete the sentence with the future perfect continuous of the verb in parentheses. By Friday afternoon, we will have been walking through the mountains for 3 days. Two. When the bus finally arrives, the students will have been standing in the rain for an hour. 3. By the time the guests show up, she will have been decorating the house since early morning. At midnight, we will have been driving across the desert for 10 hours. Five. When you get to the cafe at noon, I will have been sitting at the table by the window since breakfast. 6. Come next June, they will have been building that bridge for 2 years. Chapter 7. When this long movie ends, we will have been watching it for over 3 hours. Eight. By the time the sun rises, the fishermen will have been fishing on the ocean for 12 hours. Thanks for viewing this worldwide ELT language video.